Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to download OBS Studio for your PC. Go to your any web browser, then search OBS Studio Download. Go to the first link, which is obsproject.com. You can see there is Windows, Apple and Linux. Select Windows, then click Download Installer. The installer file will be downloaded. After installer file has been downloaded, double click it to open. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.